Is your first alert smoke alarm constantly beeping or sounding false alarms? Here's why and how to stop it. The most common culprits are low batteries, dirty sensors, or environmental factors like cooking fumes or wildfire smoke. First, try hush mode. Press the button to silence the alarm for 7 to 10 minutes if you're sure it's a false alarm. Remember, hush mode only provides temporary relief and doesn't fix the underlying problem. If the hush mode doesn't solve the issue, it's time to clean the sensor. Gently vacuum the sensor chamber using a soft brush attachment to remove accumulated dust, grease, or pet hair that can trigger false alarms. Never blow air into the sensor as it can damage the internal components. Also, check the battery, as low batteries are a common cause of frequent chirping sounds. Remove the old battery, wait 30 seconds to reset the alarm. Then install a fresh battery. Choose lithium batteries over alkaline ones as they provide much longer life, up to 10 years versus 1 to 2 years for alkaline, reducing the frequency of replacements. Remember to replace the entire alarm unit every 10 years according to NFPA standards to ensure it continues functioning properly and maintains safety.